It's really scared of me, but it's trying to scare me away. Doesn't realize how cute he really is. Okay, I'll walk away before I turn the corner of my head.
What, should I just try like revving it up at least? Did you mind the bell?
Oh.
Did you mind it now? Oh shit.
Oh, oh, ah, that's gold. That is gold. Okay, so it dawned on me after I heard a gunshot that it's kind of hunting season. Not wearing the right shirt. Had an orange shirt. Should have wore it. Kind of forgot it. So looks like I'm going with the blue. Okay, so I just spooked a couple times again. I entered. I just spooked a couple times again walking in to this evident clearing. Let's go towards the squirrel. Who knows what's behind those bushes? Oh, this is a view. Nice campsite. Looks like Satya. I think I'm annoying my girlfriend every time I stop and do these little things. So I'm not the only photographer here today. Asif also taking time to take some shots. It was my turn to sit and wait while he takes some shots. He's a much better photographer than I am. But I think with those snowshoes, he's dropped down to my level a little bit. Thank you, Les Stroud, for notifying me that these structures up here that I'm looking at may or may not be Bigfoot related. Sits real well in here when you're out here by yourself. I'm just gonna go on thinking that was one of those ones that you dismissed and said, nope, snow load, obviously. That's why that one's bent. Okay, no, I'm just gonna move on. But thank you.
Oh. That's some wicked shit. Ooh. Oh shit.